after finishing my 15 days, I see my improvement, guys. I can speak well. I can speak in front of many people fluently. And when the people are just clap for me, I feel very grateful to me. Who I am, I can speak in English. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mikashvia in front of you. Today, I would like to share my first month experience. I'm from Tongi Gajipur. I recently completed my SSC exam from the renowned Tamil Millat Kamil Madrasa. Now I'm doing English course at English therapy. I'm now in second month is student. Honestly, my first month at English therapy is the most beautiful experience in my life. Our class started on 16th June, so we just get 15 days in our first month class. In our 15th day, we just learn a many things. Before come here, I couldn't speak in English well. Whenever I want to speak in English, I just forgot what to say. I just feel less confident. I can't speak in front of many people. But after finishing my 15 days, I see my improvement, guys. I can speak well. I can speak in front of many people fluently. And when the people are just clap for me, I feel very grateful to me. Who I am, I can speak in English fluently. Oh my God, I can't believe myself. This is all about our environment power. You know, guys, in this environment, all the person are bound to speak in English. If anyone say any single Bangla word, they have to pay 20 taka fine. And it sounds really funny, but it helps everyone to English speaking fluently, and it helps us very much. And interestingly, I'm the fine manager of our class, and my responsibility is to make sure all the person are speak in English. If I talk about my teachers, they are wonderful person. All the time they teach us with fun, and we don't feel embarrassed in our class. If we do mistakes, they don't scold us. They just teach us that if you make mistake there, you should be improved there. They just continuously mentor us what would we do. And I think our teachers are very outstanding. Their teaching skills are very qualified. One of the most interesting topic is we can go outing with our teachers and classmates, and we can make a wonderful memory with them. In the end of our first month, we went to Dhaka University to explore the university, and we make lots of fun, and then we make a lots of memory. In just 15 days, I have learned many important lessons, and I just improving myself. I built my self confidence, and I realized that making mistakes is not a fear. It is the first step towards success. Finally, I would like to thank you, our CEO sir, for making this type of institute and providing us this type of teachers. And I would like to thank you, all of the people, because they helped me for become a better version of myself. Thank you everyone for listening me patiently. Assalamu alaikum.